Yes, sir. A very good morning to one and all present here. Om Asatoma Sadgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityorma Amritamgamaya, Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. As rightly stated in this shloka, we all need to pray to God that lead us from unreal to real, darkness to light, to get rid of fear of death in today's COVID pandemic situation. I take this opportunity, this Arti Utikar, Department of Instrumentation and Control, take this opportunity to welcome you all in the day 4 of International Webinar Education for webinar is organized by IQAC, that is Internal Quality Assurance Cell of DY Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, Pune. Hope all of you are safe and doing well at your place. Respected Principal Sir, Dr. Vijay Vadhai, respected Vice Principal Madam, Dr. Mrs. P. Malati, Head of the Department of all the departments, all my colleagues, all the participants, my dear students. So we are in the day 4 of this auspicious and very informative webinar, International Webinar on Education 4.0. We have our today's all three speakers also with us. Let us welcome all Mr. Saurabh Gupta, Mr. Akshay Bonde, and Dr. Amit Andre. So now, moving away, I would like to invite Dr. Preeti Patil Madam, HOD IT Department, to present her welcome note. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am. Good morning, a very respected principal, Dr. Vijay Vadai sir, respected vice principal madam, Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, all the HODs, deans, and my most eminent speakers for today, Mr. Saurabh Gupta sir, Mr. Akshay Bonde sir, and Dr. Amit Andre sir. So, and all the faculty colleague members, all the students, and all the dear participants for today's webinar. Today we are at the 4th day of webinar and international webinar, which is on Education 4.0, which is organized by IQAC Committee of DY Patil College of Engineering. So we have with us today Mr. Saurabh Gupta, who is having a vast experience in corporate trainer as a behavioral corporate trainer with various industries. And he is into teaching learning since past 15 plus experience. So he's the director of L&D Fine Skills Private Limited. So he is going to address on experiential learning today, and I'm sure we are going to have a good insight on teaching learning process from him. We have with us Mr. Akshay Bonde, who is a senior data scientist from Singapore Airlines, Singapore. He is going to address us on technology disruption. He's having a vast experience of 8 plus years as a data scientist and business analysis. So I'm sure we're going to have a good insight on data science and business analysis as well. And we have third speaker as Dr. Amit Andre, who is a data scientist and a senior vice president from Vinces IT Services. And I'm proud to say that he's our proud alumnus of Computer Engineering Department, and he's also the member of IQAC committee of our college. So he's a consistent mentor for our students of computer engineering since long time, and he's going to address on the topic making teaching learning process effective. So all these three speakers are having vast experiences in their respective domain, and I'm sure that we're going to have a wonderful takeaway from their sessions for today. And I would welcome all these eminent speakers for today's webinar, and welcome all the participants to take good insights from their sessions from today's webinar. So over to you, Aarti madam. I conclude here with my session. Have a great day ahead and take care. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Preeti ma'am, for introducing today's speakers. Then in the next session, Assurance of quality is the net outcome of quality activities, and this is work of our IQAC cell. According to this, the webinar is an initiative taken by IQAC cell of DYP COE Akurdi. Now I would like to invite Dr. Mrs. P. Malati, Vice Principal and IQAC Coordinator of DYP COE to speak few words. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Aarti. Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai. Respected speakers of today's International Webinar on Education 4.0, Mr. Saurav Gupta, Director L&D Fine Skills Private Limited, Mr. Akshay Bonde, Senior Data Scientist from Singapore, Dr. Amit Andre, Data Scientist, Vice President, Vincis Pune, all the heads of the departments, principals of other institutes in our campus, all the respected faculty members, and my dear student participants. I welcome you all for this International Webinar on Education 4.0 fourth day. We all know engineering cannot be possible without experiments. So you cannot even imagine any engineering without experiments. In technology is inevitable. We all know about it, but we need to be very choosy about its usage. Every time we feel that whatever we are teaching is getting percolated amongst the students, but we should also ensure that online teaching learning process should result in interaction with the students. Only teaching will never yield anything if learners are not engaged. So active learning and active engagement in learning with good learning experience felt by the students is Education 4.0. So I believe that today's speakers will be covering all these topics with respect to Education 4.0. And I welcome you all once again for this international webinar on Education 4.0. Wish you all the best for this day. Happy learning. Thank you. Over to Aarti.
Thank you, ma'am, for educating us the importance of online education and interaction in teaching learning. Thank you so much, ma'am. Motivational leadership plays an important role in the development of institute as well as in the execution of such brilliant programs. So let us welcome now our own source of motivation, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, Principal and IQAC Chairman, DYP COE Akurdi Pune. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Professor Aarti Madam, for setting the very right tone, and as well as the coordinator of this complete program is Dr. P. Malti. Well-managed program, properly steered, and proper dissemination of the learning outcome is seen actually to all the stakeholder. Hearty congratulations to Malti Madam and her team of 21 people. Today's eminent guest, I found that very relevant to the topic of Educational 4.0, aligning to the advanced technology which are catering to the future market, specifically artificial intelligence and data science, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security, and all such 11 different technology which will be essential to be adopted by the education systems. And hence this particular seminar has said that in combination of Education 4.0 absolutely aligned to the Industry 4.0, and accordingly the eminent speaker from nation and at a global platform, they are invited here. And I'm very happy to see that since last 4 days, we are seeing that the international speaker are giving and actually giving the very high level of the insight of this technology and guidelines to the Education 4.0. Saurabh, as you are going to talk about the behavioral skill and experiential learning, this is very essential from the Education 4.0. I was very happy also to see another two alumni, Akshay Bonde and Amit Andre. They are the experts into the domain of the data science. Dr. Priti Patil Madam has mentioned about his expertise as a data scientist, and perhaps since last 10 years he is driving this particular domain of the data science. Akshay, I hope so to hear you a lot from the data science perspective and how the market will be impacted for the next 20 years. Dr. Amit Andre, yes, you being also the member of this our IPSC, our thrust is there to ensure the quality in all sense. Now, fortunately, we are aligned to the digital infrastructure set at our DYP College of Engineering, because we know that in post-COVID situations, the teaching learning process will be disrupted in a digitization mode. So not only the regular teaching, conventional teaching, but now here ICT enabled proper teaching learning happens at our end. Yesterday, Jay Krishnan was from the IIT Mumbai has mentioned that unless and until the proper reflective process are ensured at the institute level, ensured at the teacher's perspective, unless and until the teachers start learning properly, having this particular specifically the reflective practices while engaging the students in the teaching learning process. And I'm sure that with his insight and the backbone and the Samir Sasrabuddhe and the great people from the IIT and the people from the national and international places, they are coming and really making this particular event a really great event. With this word, let us, we are eager to listen from all the experts. Thank you very much. Aarti, over to you.
Thank you, sir, for motivating us. So now we are going to start with the first speaker. Before that,
Please.
so I am very happy to announce you the toppers criteria. As you know, the criteria is the quiz completion in Genomio Moodle, course journal submission in Genomio Moodle, and giving your valuable feedback. So on this thing, so we have congratulate Devika Nehate from IT department, Sahil Basene from mechanical department, and Jnanadeep Ghadge from civil department, and from faculty sector, Mrs. Khushbu Hotchandani, Department Commerce, NMD College, Gondia. So congratulations to all. So
Congratulations.
We have Jnanadeep with us, sir. Jnanadeep,
Please.
can you hear me? Hello.
Jnanadeep Ghadge. Yeah.
Is it Jnanadeep? Yes, sir. Yes, I can hear you. Please continue. Hello.
You don't have video?
Yes, ma'am.
Video.
Can you
Please
on
enable
your
your video.
So there is problem to my camera.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, speak.
Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for arranging such type of program. It was the hello.
Go ahead.
yes.
Go ahead.
Yes.
It was the best experience. I have gained a lot of knowledge from it. Topic namely environment skill education in new paradigm, Industrial 4.0, app of radar for Industry 4.0 are appreciable. I would like to thank our principal sir, our HOD Ashok More sir. Thanks for this opportunity. Mr. Dilip Patil sir, Abhinit Patil sir, Professor Philip Bell sir, and Rupak Berry sir gain lot of knowledge.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Go ahead.
I would like to thank everyone.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you very much. Next is Sahil Basene. He is also with us.
Okay.
Student. Sine, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Go ahead.
Thank you, Vijay Vadai, sir, and Aarti ma'am for congratulating me. I thank for attending this session, and I thank all the faculty members for congratulating me. It's very wonderful session, and I like to participate further this like this kind of session. Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay.
Faculty, Khushbu ma'am is also with us.
Yeah.
Khushbu ma'am, can you hear me? Khushbu ma'am from Gondia.
Okay. She's available?
Seems to not available, sir. Should we go ahead, sir?
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Now, in today's last session, I would like to invite Dr. V.K. Jatti, Dean Academics, EYP COE Akurdi, to propose vote of thanks.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
sir.
I'm
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Yes.
Yes. Audible and visible also.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Principal Sir, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai Sir. Respected Vice Principal Madam, Dr. Mrs. P. Malti Ma'am. All heads of the department, deans, faculty members, students, participants from our college and outside college. I, Dr. Vijay Kumar S. Jatti, Dean Academics of DYP COE, is here to propose vote of thanks for the today's session. So the day 4 started with the welcome note addressed by Dr. Preeti Patil ma'am, head of the department Information Technology. She has briefly given the introduction about the speakers, then followed by the address of Vice Principal ma'am. She is also the IQAC coordinator. She has given the objective of organizing this international webinar on Education 4.0. Then followed by the address of Principal Sir, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai Sir. He is also an IQAC chairperson. So he has cleared the objective participation of the participants for this international webinar, Education 4.0. Then we started with the session of first speaker, Mr. Saurabh Gupta. He is a director of L&D Fine Skills Company. He has taken up the topic on experiential learning. He defined experiential learning that learning by doing, and it has to be nurtured as stated by many of our faculties in their chat window. He explained the learning centric methods. He said that learning is the responsibility of the learner. He explained the Klopes model, learning activities, the number of questionnaires to identify the learning styles of the learner. He explained all the learning styles. He also mentioned the association between the learning cycle and the learning style. So this was the takeaway from the speaker 1. Moving on to the speaker number 2, that is Mr. Akshay Bonde. He is a data scientist at Paleo Singapore Airline. His topic was on managing technology disruption. He started with the concept of making us understand the disruption with the word VUCA. Then has taken place all over the world in the different companies over 15 to 20 years. He explained what is the basic cause of it. The two important thing what he mentioned is about the cost cutting and opportunities which are lying in understanding the customer value chain. And then he mentioned the different theories of Moore's law, and he said that technology is continuously changing with an exponential rate. And then he explained the technologies for the 2020, his own real-time experience, what he has obtained during his tenure of this professional life. And the most important thing what a student or a professional person should understand is that in a life, he has shown that out of the survey which was conducted for the academic year 18-19 that only 5% of the engineers could write the codes. So this is a very alarm situation for all of us, including the student and the faculty. And then he mentioned what the first year and the second year students should focus on, what the final year and the third year should focus on. Now, what the students who are already got a job and they are into the job, and then what they should do it. They should plan for their short-term goals, their medium and long-term goals. And then he mentioned how to switch for the next job. So these were the takeaway from the Mr. Akshay Bonde sir's session. Then coming to the third speaker of the day, Dr. Amit Andre. He is the data scientist vice president in Vensis Pune company. He is an alumni of our college computers engineering department. He is our valuable IQAC member, and his valuable suggestions we are taking forward in the IQAC, and is being implemented in the college. And his talk was on digital learning process. Basically, the COVID-19 situation, how to make the e-learning possible in an effective manner. So his presentation was like, he used many of the codes to explain what exactly this e-learning platform is. And the most important takeaway from his session is that the platform, which platform you are using is not important. The important is that you should build a e-learning culture and interactive course content so that there will be a learning taking place with the students. Then followed by his session, we had a winners. Congratulations. So I personally congratulate the winners of day 3 quiz and submitting the course journal in a well-structured manner. I thank them for their active participation in 3 days and expecting the same for future days. I also want to thank the participants who are actively engaging themselves in this learning, in this international webinar. I thank all the faculty, students, participants from our college and the outside our college. I also want to thank and congratulate the organizing team for successfully completing day 4 international webinar. I want to thank on behalf of our college to management of D.Y. Patil International, D.Y. Patil Pratistans for supporting us and help and giving timely guidance for organizing such international webinars during this COVID pandemic situation, and making and again giving an avenue to our students and the faculty members to learn from sitting at our place. So at last, I say, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at home. Thank you from my side. Over to Aarti ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for summarizing today's event and for proposing vote of thanks. Principal, sir, that Khushbu ma'am is with us.
Yeah, please ask her to
Yes, Khushbu ma'am, are you there? Khushbu ma'am, I could see her chat a second before.
If she is there, then
Khushbu
otherwise okay.
If you are there,
To which department?
sir, she is from Gondia.
Acha,
Not
from Gondia. Okay, not from our college.
Not from our college.
Okay.
So,
I don't see a response. Yeah, please conclude. Yeah.
yes. End is not the end. In fact, end means effort never dies, said APJ Abdul Kalam. As per him, today's session of this day 4 webinar is ended, but your efforts will remain in terms of your course journal, feedback, and quiz solving in Genomio Moodle. So please mark all the activities. Be active, be safe, take care, and thank you all participants for being with us. Thank you so much. Thank you all.